In this video, we are counting down the 10 most incredible two-headed animals ever reported. Some of these will really freak you out, like the two-headed goat and the two-headed dog. So let's begin with the countdown. Here is number 10. Two-headed kitten. An Oregon family got quite a surprise when one of their farm cats gave birth to a litter of 6 kittens, including one twice as cute as the rest. The one special kitten that is different to the others is Biscuits and Gravy, the two-faced kitten. I mean, it isn't the most adorable name you've ever heard for a kitten, Biscuits and Gravy. The adorable kitty was born with 2 noses, 4 eyes, and 2 tiny mouths. Mama cat, Keenly, and his 5 siblings are all healthy. His siblings were all born with 1 head. Biscuits and Gravy were the only kitten with 2 heads. Both heads also get feed from the mother. Two-faced cats are known as Janus cats, named after the Roman god Janus, who had 2 faces, one looking into the past and the other into the future. Number 9. Two-headed snake. The rare two-headed baby timber rattlesnake was seen in a forest in the U.S. state of New Jersey. The reptile, named Double Dave, was spotted last month and taken by an environmental group. Joined at the body, the venomous baby snake has 2 fully formed heads, 4 eyes, and 2 flickering tongues, which work independently of each other. Now, this is something that would make me feel like I would be cursed if I saw it. There's already a fear when it comes to one-headed snakes, never mind 2. What makes this even worse is that the snake is venomous. Like 2 heads is not enough. You have to be full of poison too? How dare you? Number 8. Two-headed turtle. A rare 2-headed baby turtle was discovered in the U.S. state of Virginia after being found in the wild by a member of the public. The 2-headed turtle was then handed over to the Virginia Living Museum, who shared a video of their new arrival on Facebook. Polycephaly is the scientific term for the condition of having 2 heads, the Virginia Living Museum explained on Facebook. While it is extremely rare in mammals, it occasionally occurs in turtles and other reptiles. That's right, this isn't that rare of an occasion. There could be a lot of 2-headed turtles out there. My question is, do both heads fit into the shell when the turtle wants to hide inside it? Number 7. Two-headed goat. Newski Farms in Wittenberg has welcomed a 2-headed goat. The goat was born on April 5th. The family believes that the goat was going to be an identical twin, but the eggs weren't able to fully split. This is a rare situation to happen with goats. Also, a goat with 2 heads just seems so creepy to me. How about you? The goat was named Janus, named after the 2-faced Roman god of beginnings and transitions. A 2-headed goat being seen as a blessing and named after a Roman god is something that I never thought I would hear until today. But that's what this channel is all about, finding out something new in every video. Number 6. Two-headed bearded dragon. Bearded dragon lizard breeder Stephen Evans, 34, from Birkenhead, Wirral, discovered while checking an incubator containing one of the eggs. He told BBC News he initially thought there were 2 lizards in 1 egg before realizing they were conjoined. Imagine 2 heads poke out of an egg and thinking it was just 2 lizards, but suddenly you see the heads are attached to one whole body. Finding something like this is quite a rare occurrence. I can only imagine how they must have felt when they saw the 2 heads. Number 5. Two-headed pig. A farmer in China has shown off his prize piglet, which has 2 heads containing 3 eyes, 2 noses, and 2 mouths. Locals began flocking to the farm in Luzhou, southwest China's Sichuan province, to get a glimpse of the mutant animal. I mean, who can blame them? I would want to take a look at the 2-headed pig too, if I was there. Although I would probably be very freaked out once I saw it. Number 4. Two-headed cow. A calf born with 2 heads has shocked farmers in southeastern China. Video footage of the cow in a village in Dezhong County shows the mutant baby animal with 2 heads, 2 ears, 2 mouths, and 4 eyes. How crazy! The calf's mother gave birth to it after a difficult 7-hour labor, according to their owner known as Auntie Zhang. Imagine how shocked the mother must have been after giving birth and seeing that her baby has 2 heads. Number 3. Two-headed dog. These incredible pictures show the frightening creations of Soviet scientist Vladimir Dimitrov, who is considered a pioneering figure in the world of transplants according to a leading U.S. surgeon. This dog is like a modern-day Frankenstein experiment. It's full of gruesome horror. I remember when I watched Harry Potter as a kid and was terrified of the dog with 3 heads. So knowing there's a dog that existed in real life with 2 heads, well, it gives me nightmares to think about. But this is interesting as this 2-headed animal was actually man-made and not naturally born. Number 2. TwoHeaded Shark. Fisherman Christian Johnston discovered this 2-headed blue shark off the coast of Australia a few years ago. Blue sharks produce a lot of 2-headed offspring as they can carry up to 50 babies at a time in the womb. The condition of having more than 1 head is known as polycephaly. I would be already screaming for my life if I saw a normal shark with 1 head. Never mind seeing one with 2. Jaws would have been a whole different film if all the sharks had 2 heads. Who knows, maybe in the sequel, all the sharks will have extra heads. And number 1. TwoHeaded Trout. A 2-headed lake trout may sound like a mythical marine animal, but apparently the creature is real and can be found in New York. A woman fishing on Lake Champlain on the New York-Vermont border reeled in a trout with 2 mouths last week. The fish was caught by Debbie Geddes. Naughty Boys Fishing, a local competitive fishing team, shared a photo of the bizarre fish on Facebook, both horrifying and mystifying social media users. 2-headed fish sounds terrifying. I can't imagine going out to get a plate of fish and chips and my fish having 2 heads. Oh my God, this was crazy! If you love unusual content, check out our other videos on the left and right of the screen. See ya!